Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Alpana's Green Paradise. I hope everyone out there is doing good. Today weather is sunny and comfortable. Guys, my day usually begins from my garden. Early in the morning, I come to my terrace and water my plants. Sometimes I deal with them, clean the terrace, and whenever I get to see blooms, I start shooting them. So guys, I usually shoot them to share my joys with you guys, as sharing doubles the joy, isn't it? I think there are many people who are crazy gardeners like me, who keep on adding and adding plants in the homes, in their gardens, despite of space issues, right? Well, क्यों ना करे? If it gives you immense pleasure, you must do it. We all love colors, but if you do not have whites in your garden, it is incomplete. I have one pristine white water lily in my collection, and she is hardy variety. Sorry. 2 years back, I got one rhizome, and from that rhizome, I have propagated many plants, and I have replanted them in different pots. And guys, the plant seems to be happy and enjoying repotting, as they are giving me multiple blooms at a time, and they are giving me blooms continuously. Being in the hobby of gardening, I think all of us have different kinds of flowers and plants in our little gardens, whether it is of balcony garden, terrace garden, and if you have luxury of having open spaces, then well and good. But by adding lilies and lotuses in your garden, I must say it lifts up your garden a bit higher, or must say to the next level. I find the lilies and lotuses pretty exotics. So guys, she is my jasmine water lily, pristine white in color with mild fragrance. The fragrance of lilies attract dragonflies a lot. I can see many dragonflies dancing and hopping around my terrace. It was not like that before I started my hands on lilies and lotuses. Guys, sparrows, robins, then doves, myna, they usually visit my terrace early in the morning. But as soon as I reach the terrace, they fly away. Dragonflies themselves fly. They visit my terrace during summers when the lilies and lotuses bloom. Guys, regarding the prevention of mosquitoes growth in your tubs, I usually do what? I change water once in a month and add extra water to the tub whenever the water level goes down. My lilies are in terrace, so water usually evaporates because of direct sunlight. So when you change water with overflowing water in the tub, the algae is also removed. So that way your tub will be algae free also, and mosquito breeds will be also not there. By changing water, you prevent the growth of mosquitoes, which is very important. Otherwise, you can also grow some fishes like molly fish in your water lily and lotus tubs, so that they can have feast on larvae. So guys, this is for regarding prevention of mosquitoes and algae. Hope you have enjoyed my videos today. Do visit my previous videos also, and if you like them. So do not forget to press the like button, and guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, this is for today. Until next time, bye bye.